Hey guys, welcome back to another quick forum video. In today's video, we are doing a gaming test review on Visible's ZTE Blade 10 Prime. So very excited to do this game review. I've gotten a lot of requests on it since I've done my video on it. So if you go to visible.com, you can get this phone from their website. And for the price right now, you can get it currently for $129, which is a good price for this phone, especially with these specs. Let me read these specs to you guys for all you spec junkies out there. So you see, very cool. But this phone does have 64 gigs of internal storage, supports a micro SD card. This does have a MediaTek P60 octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor, 16 megapixel front-facing camera, 16 megapixel rear, and a 5 megapixel dual camera. This one is dual camera setup, as you can see, very cool. It's a 158 by 75. 2 times 8, pretty cool. 6.3 inch 19 by 9 full HD plus notch, 2280 by 1080p display. It's a 401 ppi. Does rock a 3200 milliamp battery. It's non-removable, which is pretty cool. For some people they don't really care. Some people do care, so it's different. But let's get to the gaming portion of this video. So there's PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and try PUBG Mobile. I must say that I kind of loaded it a little bit. That way we didn't have to wait for all the updates and stuff. It does run in medium settings, graphic settings, which is great. A lot of phones that I usually review for prepaid is usually in low settings. Only a few high, but not many mid or high at all. So shout outs to ZTE for at least letting us play in medium graphics, which always looks better than low graphics, of course. So let's get into it, guys, and see how well it is. I guess they want me to do a couple more things, but I'll get to the part where we are gaming, just so I can skip all this stuff. Alright, as you can see, we are in the loading lobby, so we're just waiting for some people to join. It's weird, I'm throwing some apples, I'm guessing. I don't know, I haven't played this game in a minute, so bear with me, but hopefully we'll get to the good parts in just a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, we are in the airplane. I've noticed one thing while I'm playing this game, guys. If you put your hand right here, since that's where the speaker is, it will, you won't be able to basically hear it, as you can see, which kind of sucks. I don't like that, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and find a good place to land and hopefully get some action right away. That's what we're expecting. But like I said, it does get annoying because this is how people usually hold their hands. So, for gaming, that's probably not cool. Hopefully they had a speaker in the front, but guess that doesn't work. So let's see. Let's just get somewhere and see how well it loads. Probably go down there. Alright, so let's jump out. So far so good. Everything looks great. Of course, low details when we're coming down, but it loads and gets better as we go. So my team, as you saw, they are way over there on the other side. So hopefully we can pick some guns up and a bunch of other stuff. Cool. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, got some stuff already. So took some ammo. Probably want a grenade. Let's get some armor. Ooh, shotgun. And this should be health pack. So let's see if we can find anybody. I think we landed a little far, yeah. But good news is we do have, it looks like a, whoa. So we got some action already. Oh, there's some guy right here, whoa. As you can see, I'm not the best at shooting. Got him. So there we go. Got our first victory. Whoa. There we go. Second one there. So not bad at all, guys. Got 2 kills there. Sorry if I moved the camera a little bit. Just got excited about that. So as you can see, very playable. I didn't see any lag or drop frames whatsoever, which is great. So it's definitely playable. And I would say it's definitely, I mean, like I said, there's no lag whatsoever. Usually some games when you're in the fighting scene, it does tend to lag up on you. So I like seeing that it was great with that. And so far the phone's not getting warm at all. Let's see how it is with vehicles. So like I said, a lot of people like to play PUBG. Well, there we go. We can make it now. As you can see, you don't hear anything. So my hand is covering it up. But once you release it, you can hear everything. So like I said, that part of this phone review or game review is annoying. Look, you can't hear anything. I let go of my hand. You can hear the car. So it's straight up just clogs up the speaker and you won't be able to hear anything. But as you can see, driving is smooth as well. So let's go to the next game just so we don't waste a lot of time. Next one is going to be Call of Duty. Everybody likes this game's a newer game, of course. Maybe released a month or two. Can't really. It should be about close to 2 months now released on mobile. So let's see how well it does. A lot of people wanted me to review this game on this phone as well. So let's check it out. Alright, so of course now they have zombies. Alright, let this bad boy load. Multiplayer. Yep, here we go, guys. Wish me luck. I haven't played this game in a while. So yeah, just bear with me if I'm not the best. Like I said, I don't do too much mobile gaming at all. So let this load and we'll be right back. Oh wow, that was quick. All right, so first match. Let's see how well we do. Hopefully everything goes well. If I remember how to play this game correctly. I used to be really good at it when it came out. There we go. Whoa, it's like riding a bike. Look at that. Boy, totally it's like riding a bike. You never forget. Look at that. Whoa, buddy. I'm pretty sure these are real players too. I think it's just, whoa. Everybody's first time. Am I out of ammo? Oh, nope. Getting close to it though. Let's go ahead and do. As you can see, there is. Boop! There we go. And then we get this bad boy right here. Missed. What can you do? Great, I got a knife now. Ooh, what happened? Did we win? Hey, I didn't even die once. Look at that, 20-5. I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? So, ran out of ammo. God, these guys. I mean, these are probably all newbies too, but you know how it goes. So very fun. I liked it. Let's do one last game. As you can see, it's very playable. Didn't like whatsoever. Next game that everybody wants is Asphalt 9. So let's check it out. Also, while we're getting to Asphalt 9, let's talk about our supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that provides you the best promo codes online. Free at charge, of course, free for you. They'll find you the best promo codes online on best websites like Amazon, Best Buy, Boost Mobile, Cricket, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. I will have that in the description below, guys. If you use my link and make your first purchase, like I said, it's totally free. I will get a small commission, which will help. It is an affiliate link, so check it out. All right. So let's go ahead and check this out. Sorry for the echo. Just with this phone that I'm using to record, I don't have a dongle, so I couldn't use my mic on it, and it was just really annoying to try to set up. So hopefully everything does go fine. Let's do this last game. All right, let's check it out. Like I said, hate that it muffles, but what can you do? All right, let's check it out. Yeah, I know how to drift. Oh, a little stutter there, but I think that's just from the action. Maybe something was loading. Jeez, everybody using NOS over here. Woo! Some burnout action there. God, I'm surprised his engine hasn't blown yet. Look at that. First place, guys. What way to end it with a first place victory. So far, so good. Now, let's see. Hopefully, let's check out how warm this is in the back. I do have a... check this out. So, see how it got warm. So, it's about 96, 95 degrees in the back. Not too bad. 94. I think the highest we saw was about 94. 95 and a half, I think. It's usually near the battery, so for you guys who want to know how warm these phones do get once you're playing, it didn't get too warm. That's, I mean, it says 95, but trust me, it's probably, it can be from the warmth of your hand as well, but everything's solid. Overall, this is definitely worth getting if you want to get it. For gaming at 130, it's good price, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, check out Honey. They are really good, supporter of the channel as well. So check them out. We'll have them in the description below. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you.